This is the difference between being over 40 and under 40. To everybody under 40, this doesn't look dangerous. It don't look dangerous. To everybody over 40, it was like, boy, don't you hurt yourself. Everybody under 40 would jump down from here. Everybody over 40 wouldn't dare think about jumping down from here. We already know our foot gonna hit that ground and our leg gonna do something weird and our kneecap gonna come off. When you are over 40, you know how to get down off of things properly.